What's up everyone, we are back scalping some XRP today with the FlowPro bot. So we're going to go ahead and arm both longs and shorts because price has just been kind of ranging today and there isn't really a dominant trend. So we're going to try to take some longs and shorts today and hopefully get a few
Order
wins.
placed.
And there we go, we get filled into our first trade, which is a long. So we'll see if this wins. We have a POC pivot down here telling us that there's bullish volume at the bottom of that candle. So yeah, with the FlowPro bot, I'm just going to be using the POC pivot indicator, which is free on our website, plus the CVD indicator showing us cumulative volume delta in the price. So we'll see if this trade wins. But yeah, I don't normally trade in these conditions. I like to trade in a high volume condition when the price is a bit more volatile because there's much more potential for gains, right? So my take profit level, my stop loss level is a bit reduced in this environment because the price doesn't move up and down as much as it does in a volatile market. So here we are, we're moving up nicely and we do win our first trade. Very good stuff, I'm happy with that. So I just want to show you guys the bot does work in a low volume environment. You know, you don't always need to wait for a very volatile market, but there are certain changes they need to make and, you know, perhaps refine your settings to adapt to that environment, right? So if you are trading a low volatility market, you know, maybe you need to reduce your stop loss and reduce your take profit level just to adapt to the volatility of the price.
Order placed.
We're going to get filled into our second trade of the day. It is a short. We have the delta kind of leveling off, but not exactly going down, but price is, and the bot has detected some bearish market pressure in the past few candles. So yeah, we got filled short because we have both shorts and longs activated. So we'll see where this trade takes us. Now, as you can see, our first trade was 167 USDT profit, which is usually less than what I normally do because the market is just not so volatile. You know, I usually trade for bigger wins, but I cannot afford to trade for bigger wins in this scenario because price is just not moving up and down as quick. But of course we did still get that win, so that's the most important thing. So let's analyze this trade that we're currently in, right? We are just hovering around the entry of our trade right now. Price is somewhat going down here. Delta is a bit neutral. So when a delta is neutral, the trade is, you know, it can either go one way or the other. There's really no directional bias that you can retrieve from that. But, you know, the bot is built in a sophisticated way to kind of detect which way the market is going to go based on market pressure. So if the market pressure is bearish, we're going to listen to that signal and we are going to trust the algorithm. So now we are quite a bit in the green zone in the profit and we're quite close to our take profit level. So we just got a long that we won. Now we are getting a short that we were potentially going to win here. So this is looking like a bit of a pullback, and there is no predominant trend in the macro scale, but in the micro scale there is a bit of an uptrend. So we are close to our take profit. Let's see if we can hit it here.
Cancelled.
We do hit it. Okay, great stuff. Second trade of the day is a win again. Beautiful. So let's wait for our next trade. We'll see if it's going to be a short or a long in this market.
Order placed.
Okay, we get entered into another long. So we get a buy signal from the bot. And it looks like the price kind of making higher lows and higher highs at the moment. As of the last like 50 bars, we are in a bit of an uptrend, but that's on a really like recent time frame that's going on. On the actual day, it's not really a predominant trend going on. So, you know, this is low volume trading. You know, when it's ranging like this, I really have no bias. I'm gonna arm both longs and shorts because the price can go either way, and I'll just let the bot detect where the buying's coming in, where the selling's coming in. So that's all you can really do in a ranging market. But as of now, it looks like we might win this trade. So we'll see here.
Order cancelled.
There we go, another win. So we get a long, and then we get a short, and then we get another long, and it looks like this price is going to break those previous highs. Yep. So we are making higher highs, higher lows at the minute. You could say this is an uptrend, but in the grand scheme of things, there really isn't a dominant trend today, like I said.
Order placed.
Okay, we get filled into another buy signal. You can kind of see there's a POC pivot signal there. That would have been a good entry. POC pivot indicator just tells you where there's a lot of bullish or bearish volume in a candle, so that you'd get a lot of POC pivot signals if you are using it, but it can give you a good insight into where like the volume is in a specific candle. And if it's at the bottom of a candle and it's green, that's telling you there's a lot of bullish volume at the bottom of that bar. So it can help you kind of see the pivot points in the market. You know, it's not always going to be right, but it's another kind of tool you can use as confluence to combine it with other signals. That'll give you an overview of what's going on. But yeah, we get filled into another long, and you can see the delta is increasing here. So I'm quite confident in this trade as well. I think this might be a win. And there's a lot of like big positive delta coming in, so that's what I like to see in a long entry like this. So hopefully we can win this. I don't know how many more trades to take. It won't be too many, because low volume trading, you know, I don't like to trade a lot because there's not a lot of buys to go off of. So when the market is ranging, I just kind of want to take a bit of profit and get out.
Order cancelled.
Okay, a lot of volume just pumped in. We win that trade. It hits our take profit very quickly there. That's what we like to see. So we're up to 670 USDT profit. See if we get filled long again. We are quite high up in the price here, so extreme ranges. I do not like entering longs at the very tops, and I don't like entering shorts at the very bottom, so that is quite risky because there's always pullbacks. I can't stress this enough, guys. If you are very overbought and you're on a low time frame, please keep in mind there's always a pullback, so you do not want to enter long at those extreme ranges. So right now we are going down, a lot of bearish volume pumping in the market. We don't get filled short though, so the bot is not detecting bearish pressure. If it did, we would have probably got
Order
filled
placed.
short then. We actually get filled long, so if this is correct, that's quite good. If you look at that big red bar, the delta on the big red bar is actually less than the delta on the smaller green bar. So the delta it's kind of biased to the upside here, and we are in the green at the moment. Price moving up, we're making higher highs, higher lows, so I'm okay with this trade actually. Now what we want to look for here is delta increase. We don't want to see delta going down here, especially when you're getting to that take profit level. You want to see delta increasing, but delta is actually looking like it's slowing down here, which is not ideal. So we'll just see. Hopefully we can win this. Okay, we're going up and going down. It's like we're forming bearish hammers at the moment. Delta is still green. Let's see. Okay, we get red delta on this candle. It's like there's a wall of resistance there, because there's like 4 bars now that have created these wicks. You know what? I don't like the look of this because the delta's gone down now. I'm gonna set this to break even.
Order placed.
Okay, we get
Order
stopped
cancelled.
out. So what you can do, guys, you can set your stop loss to break even if you're not confident in the trade. And I wasn't confident there because we got a lot of these bearish hammers up here, kind of suggesting that there's a wall of resistance there. Now this trade actually might win in the end, but I'm looking at this bearish delta and the bearish hammers. Just from my own trading intuition, this is usually a bad sign. And you know, if you think a trade's not going to go your way, you can always set your stop loss to break even. So I'm going to turn off the bot here because I'm happy with those gains. 631. We took a little hit on that last trade, but that's okay. That trade might actually go back up and win. We don't know. But if you are feeling like there's a lack of confidence in your trade, you can always pull your stop loss up to break even just to minimize your risk of losing capital. So guys, again, if you enjoyed that, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want access to the spot, the link will be in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you soon.